to ask a lady her weight?
Yes. Can you tell me?
I was only teasing, I can tell you.
Welcome to the fascinating world of humanoid robots. For years, humans have dreamed of creating machines that look, think, and act like us. Today, that dream is becoming a reality, with robots that can converse, express emotions, create art, and even perform tasks once thought to require human ingenuity. In this video, we'll explore the 10 most realistic humanoid robots that are revolutionizing technology. These robots demonstrate the cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and design, showing us a glimpse of the future. Let's begin. 1. Erica, the conversational humanoid. Topping the list is Erica, a robot that excels in natural conversation. Developed by a team from Osaka and Kyoto universities in Japan, Erica is designed to bridge the gap between humans and machines through realistic communication. Erica's creators have equipped her with advanced AI that allows her to recognize faces, understand speech, and respond with natural expressions. She can even display subtle emotions, making her interactions feel human-like. Erica's conversational abilities make her ideal for roles such as receptionists, TV presenters, and even actors. Interestingly, Erica has already starred in a Japanese science fiction movie, marking her debut as an actress. Her creators hope that robots like Erica will one day work seamlessly alongside humans in customer service and other industries. 2. Sophia, the world's most famous humanoid robot. Coming in next is Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics. She is arguably the most famous humanoid robot in the world and has become a global symbol of AI's potential. Sophia is more than just a robot, she is a cultural phenomenon. Sophia gained worldwide attention when she was granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia, making her the first robot to achieve this milestone. Her lifelike appearance and ability to hold conversations make her a blend of advanced engineering and artistry. Sophia uses advanced AI algorithms, facial recognition, and natural language processing to interact with people in a meaningful way. Sophia has appeared on TV shows like The Tonight Show and has spoken at international conferences about the future of AI and robotics. With her expressive face and insightful responses, Sophia embodies our aspirations for human-robot coexistence. 3. Ida, the artist robot. Ida, the world's first ultra-realistic humanoid artist, is a testament to how robots can contribute to creative fields. Completed in 2019 and named after Ida Lovelace, the first computer programmer, this robot blurs the line between art and technology. Ada's unique ability lies in her artistic talents. Using cameras in her eyes and a robotic arm, she creates fragmented, abstract sketches of her surroundings. These pieces are unsettling yet fascinating, reflecting the fusion of human creativity and robotic precision. Ada can also analyze speech patterns to compose poetry and respond to questions with thoughtful answers. Her artistic and linguistic capabilities showcase the potential for AI to push the boundaries of creativity in unexpected ways. 4. Desdemona, the AI pop star. Desdemona is no ordinary robot, she's a pop star. Developed by Hanson Robotics, the same team behind Sophia, Desdemona is the lead singer of the AI-powered band Jam Galaxy. Desdemona's AI allows her to write her own lyrics and perform alongside human musicians. Her striking pink hair and expressive facial movements make her stage presence unforgettable. She represents the growing role of AI in the arts, where creativity and technology merge to produce something entirely new. In addition to her music career, Desdemona explores AI's potential in entertainment and education. Her creators believe she represents a future where robots and humans collaborate creatively. 5. Topio, the ping pong robot. Topio, Tozy ping pong playing robot, takes robotics into the world of sports. Developed by Tozy Robotics in Vietnam, Topio is a bipedal humanoid robot designed to play table tennis against human opponents. Standing 1.88 meters tall and weighing 120 kilograms, Topio is equipped with advanced sensors and rapid decision-making systems to react to fast-paced games. Although he may not yet rival professional players, Topio demonstrates how robots can perform tasks requiring precision, agility, and quick reflexes. Topio showcases the potential of humanoid robots in competitive and recreational activities, making him a unique addition to the robotics world. 6. Rashmi, India's humanoid robot. Rashmi is a groundbreaking creation from India, developed by Ranjit Srivastava. She is the world's first Hindi-speaking humanoid robot and can also converse in Bhojpuri, Marathi, and English. Rashmi's standout feature is her lip-syncing ability, which enables her to mimic human expressions while speaking. She combines linguistic interpretation, facial recognition, and AI to interact naturally with people. As a multilingual robot, Rashmi is a testament to how technology can aid apt to cultural contexts. She's paving the way for robots to be used in customer service, education, and healthcare in diverse regions of the world. 7. SpotMini, the versatile robot dog. While not a humanoid, SpotMini by Boston Dynamics deserves a SpotMini on this list for its realistic movement and functionality. This four-legged robot is designed for versatility, performing tasks in construction, security, and even household settings. SpotMini is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and navigation systems that allow it to climb stairs, avoid obstacles, and carry objects. An optional robotic arm lets SpotMini open doors, pick up fragile items, and assist with daily tasks. SpotMini's ability to work autonomously or under human control has made it a popular choice for industries requiring precision and reliability. Its adaptability and durability highlight how robotics can enhance efficiency and safety. 8. Unry Goan, the intelligent robot companion. Another impressive quadruped robot is the Unry Goan, developed by Unry Robotics in China. While smaller and less expensive than SpotMini, Unry Goan is packed with advanced features that make it a valuable companion. The robot uses stereo depth cameras and ultrasonic sensors for obstacle detection and navigation. It can follow its owner, carry small loads, and even perform backflips. With speeds of up to 3.7 ms, Unry Goan can keep up with humans during a jog, making it an excellent example of robotics for personal use. 9. Big Dog, the robotic pack mule. Big Dog, developed by Boston Dynamics, is a robotic workhorse designed for rugged environments. Originally created for military use, Big Dog is capable of carrying heavy loads across challenging terrain, such as snow, mud, and rocky surfaces. Big Dog is powered by a water-cooled internal combustion engine and uses hydraulic actuators for stability and movement. Its ability to recover from slips and maintain balance on uneven surfaces makes it a valuable tool for outdoor tasks. Although not humanoid in appearance, Big Dog represents the evolution of robotics in functional design, proving its worth in scenarios where human capabilities are limited. 10. Cheetah, the fastest robot on Earth. Closing our list is Cheetah, another Boston Dynamics creation. Known for its incredible speed, Cheetah holds the record as the fastest-legged robot, reaching a top speed of 28.3 mph, faster than Olympic sprinter Usain Bolt. Cheetah's lightweight frame and advanced joint actuators allow it to move with remarkable efficiency and agility. While primarily a research prototype, it demonstrates the potential for robots in search and rescue missions or military operations, where speed and mobility are crucial. Humanoid robots are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. From artistic robots like Ada and Desdemona to conversationalists like Sophia and Erica, These machines are transforming industries and inspiring us to imagine a future where humans and robots coexist. As robotics technology continues to advance, these creations will play an increasingly important role in our lives, enhancing productivity, creativity, and even entertainment. Whether in art, sports, or everyday tasks, the robots on this list show that the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of 10 most realistic female humanoid robots. Stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving world of technology.